guys, welcome back. It's me Sinto, and in this video I will show you some upgrades that I have done to my turtle aquarium. So it will be very interesting. Watch the video till the end, and here it goes. Now this is my turtle aquarium. I built it for my turtle when it was small. The video about it is already there in my channel. If you want, you can go and check it out. Now the beauty of this turtle aquarium has faded out a little bit. The upper liner has worn out, and also the gravels are not properly arranged. So I will do some upgrades to this turtle aquarium in this video, and hopefully it can be a helping guide for you to upgrade your aquarium as well. So let's get started. So I will start with removing the components, attachments and accessories. Now you can see that the top aquarium liner, which was previously painted with a black paint, has came out due to wear and tear. Now I am going to use a waterproof seal repair tape to fix the upper aquarium liner. If you want a tape like this, I will drop a link in the video description. You can buy it from there. Now this tape is very sticky, so you have to take care to avoid mess. Now I am using a algae scraper razor blade to cut the tape in proper shape. I am applying the tape on the upper side of the aquarium on all four sides. Now the upper aquarium liner is looking much better than the previous state it was, and the tape is very strong and it is very scratch resistant, so it will last very long. Now next I am going to arrange the gravels properly. There is already a sugar like sand gravel present in the aquarium, so I am going to put some polished exotic mixed colored pebble gravels on the top of it. The sugar like sand gravel is already very good. It is also much easier to clean it for the turtle aquarium, but since I don't have it, and also the turtle used to dig around the sugar like sand gravel, a more difficult to remove gravel is good for the turtle aquarium. There is already two river stone inside it. I will let them be there, and I will put these pebble gravels in a slopey fashion, like more gravels at the back and lesser gravels at the top, so that it will give some depth to the turtle aquarium. So there was lot of dirt between the pebble gravels which was kept in my storeroom. So now this aquarium needs a water change. I will do about 80% water change and make sure all the dirts are sucked out of the aquarium. So I will also do gravel cleaning by moving the suction pipe between the gravel gaps so that all the dirts are taken out. Now the dirty water has been taken out. It's time to fill the aquarium back up. So the aquarium has been filled up with water back to the liner mark. Now it's time to attach all the components, accessories back and put the turtle inside the aquarium. I am also putting some pebble gravels near the docking area so that not much dirt are trapped between the rocks of the docking area, and also it will look more aesthetic. Now here goes the turtle back to the aquarium. I had been keeping it in a cage because it was running away when I put it on the floor. Now it's time to put the lid back in and turn on the filter. The turtle aquarium water is now very clear. You can see the turtle completely and also the turtle is looking very good and happy inside the turtle aquarium. So I feed the turtle twice, in the morning and also in the evening. They basically like turtle pellets. They also like feeder fishes and some fruits like strawberries. If you want to know more about how to keep the turtles at home, I will drop the link to a blog post that I have created. You can check it out, the complete details there. Links to the blog post will be there in the video description. Now it's time to apply the last upgrade, that is a UVB lamp. This UVB lamp I have purchased from online store. The links to buy it are also there in the video description. You can check it out if you want to buy a similar set. It comes with a bendable top where the UV lamp is attached and also a switch to switch on and switch off the lamp when required. You can also buy a timer and attach the plug of this UVB lamp to it so that it will switch on and switch off for a specific hour in a day, and you don't have to worry about switching it on and off. This is a 75 watt bulb. It gives a warm yellow light. The turtle is looking at it but not sure if she likes it. She wants to bask under it. Maybe she will climb up if I move away from her. So there we have it, guys. She has climbed up and she is basking under the yellow lamp. Now it is very essential for the turtles to bask under the UVB lamp because it makes the turtle shells more stronger. Also it will improve the digestion of the turtle by providing heat, and it will also help to kill the harmful microorganisms that are attached to the skin or the surface of the shell. There it goes. So the turtle typically needs about 5 to 8 hours to lie under the UVB lamp, and it is more than enough for it. Setting up a timer could solve the hassle of turning it on and off. So I have been using it for about 1 hour now, and now she is trying to go back to the water. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Go make your own turtle aquarium if you don't have one, or you can upgrade your existing turtle aquarium like this. So give a like and share this video with your friends. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye and take care, and thanks for watching.